Ohioans can now legally set off their own fireworks. It's part of a new state law now in effect. Taylor Nimmo spoke with fireworks retailers in Claremont County who say business is booming ahead of the holiday weekend.
Phantom Fireworks in Amelia says that this new law is really helping their business. They say many more people are coming to buy fireworks, knowing they'll be able to set them off over the holiday weekend. However, safety is a top priority with this new law. All retailers are required to provide customers with the option to buy safety glasses with their purchase. And also every purchase must come along with a safety pamphlet telling you how to set those fireworks off.
These are not toys. We got to keep this serious because, I mean, we want to keep it legal. We don't want to mess it up, so be very careful with that.
But with the new fireworks law comes responsibility. Fireworks can be fun, but it can quickly turn serious.
So in 2020, over 15,600 people were treated in emergency rooms across the U.S. for firework injury, and 24% of those injuries were to kids under the age of 14.
Dr. Brendan Sheridan with TriHealth says about 80% of the burn injuries they see in the emergency room each year takes place during the week of the 4th of July.
The worst one I think I've ever seen is someone who took a cherry bomb and put it in his mouth. And it went off and basically blew off the entire lower part of his mandible. So that one always kind of leaves a bad stain.
Dr. Sheridan says that one of the most common fireworks injuries seen in emergency rooms every year comes from sparklers.
Is people who try to put a sparkler out with their hand. So they'll just grab it like that, thinking it's, as easy to put out as it is like a candle.
Sparklers can get up to 1,200 degrees, and that's way too much for a child to be handling.
She says glow sticks can be a good alternative for young kids. Gardner says the new law brings a concern for more injuries this holiday weekend.
There is a huge increased risk at this point with families being able to set off fireworks at home.
Phantom Fireworks hopes their extra safety measures will help prevent some of those injuries.
Do you want to set them off next year? I mean, that's the big one. It could ruin it for a lot of other people if we're not safe with it.
Taylor Nimmo, WCPO 9 News.